Just got my NIEEPA sunglasses. Let's open them up and check them out. They come in this nice little carrying case. Got a hard exterior, as well as a small clip here. Let's get them open and check them out. They're already looking pretty cool, but let's get this plastic out of the way. And the film. So here you go. These are some nice looking sunglasses. Very stylish. Plastic frame, which means a soft and comfortable nose pad here. They use a screw bolt hinge. Looks nice and durable. And they feel super lightweight. And in the bag, there was also a cleaning cloth. And that's nice and soft with the NIEEPA eyewear embroidery here. Very stylish gold lettering. Nicely sized cloth too. You can see my thumb might have left behind a little smudge here. Let's get rid of that. Looking much better. It also comes with a cloth carrying case. Same NIEEPA eyewear embroidery, the gold stylish lettering there, and it's got a drawstring top. Mine appear to be about 5 3/4 of an inch across and roughly about 6 1/4 inch long, as well as a little under 2 inches tall. So this is a polycarbonate lens. It's polarized and it has UV protection coating on it with a width of about 62 millimeters. And I just checked myself out in the mirror for the first time with these on, and I love how they look, plus how they fit in the feel. I've been wearing them for about 1 minute and I can already tell you that they feel like they're not even there because they're so lightweight and so comfortable around the ears and the nose. I can tell that you can wear these for a long time and they're not gonna like punch in and start hurting your nose like some sunglasses do. And I've worn plenty of sunglasses that make it way too dark when you're in shaded or shadowy areas. These ones do not do that. They tint just a little bit, but they block out a lot of the sunlight from burning as well. Super clear to look through these. As I look through my window out here, I can see everything just as clear as I can with my normal eyesight. Overall, I'd say they're a really great pair of sunglasses, especially for the value that you're getting with these. I think they're gonna be great for driving. They're gonna be really good for when I walk my daughter to school on those sunny mornings and pick her up on the sunny afternoons. Really happy to invest in this pair right here.